Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into a super fun capsule character using Google Gemini's Nano Banana tool. It's one of the newest AI features that lets you edit images instantly with just a prompt. So let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini on your device or on your phone, and then just log in with your Google account. And then on this main menu, just tap on create image, or you can also go to tools icon, this one, and then just create images. It's just same way. Now just upload the photo that you want to transform. This could be your selfie or your friend pictures or even a pet photo. If you want to get creative, just tap on plus button, this one, and then gallery, and then just choose your photo. And then just choose your photo, and when you're done, just type a prompt. I have already prepared a structure you can copy like this. You can just copy my prompt and then just replace the brackets with your own details like iconic pose, and then relevant settings, this one, and then fitting colors, and then you can replace the name or nickname. I will copy my prompt and then go back to your Gemini and then paste it, and then just replace the brackets as you like. For example like this, and then just tap on generate. And okay, like this. The results, I think, good enough. Sometimes you will get something funny like this, or sometimes the result is super accurate. If you're not satisfied with the result, just tweak your prompt as you like. And okay, that's it. You have just turned your photo into a capsule characters with Google Gemini Nano Banana tools. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.